Have you ever opened the Qur'an in a moment of complete distress and read a verse that spoke so deeply to your condition that it felt as though it was addressing the very burden you were carrying, not because the words changed, but because your heart was finally ready to receive them? Some describe moments like these in different ways. For the believer, they are moments of tadabbur, deep reflection upon Allah's words. The Qur'an is guidance for all people. Yet Allah, in His perfect knowledge, knows every heart that turns back to Him. Sometimes, a single verse reaches the soul with a depth that no human words ever could. Perhaps this is one of those moments. Perhaps Allah is reminding you of something about yourself. The biggest illusion of modern life is that you are just another number, one among billions, running endlessly to become important in the eyes of people who are themselves searching for meaning. We chase approval through followers, through achievements, through noise. Yet the Qur'an quietly removes every audience. It brings you face to face with yourself. Allah's words do not begin with your reputation. They reach the places no one else can see. The grief hidden behind your smile, the fear you never admit, the weakness covered by pride, the questions you ask only in silence. The Qur'an speaks to the human heart, and every one of us is invited to reflect upon its guidance. Think about the last time you felt completely misunderstood. You searched for words, yet nothing seemed capable of explaining what was inside you. Human language has limits. Allah's words do not. The Qur'an describes the human soul with a truth that reaches every generation. Its verses uncover our tendency to lose hope, our struggle with doubt, our need for mercy, our longing for peace. Its warnings are not merely there to frighten us. They invite us to examine where our hearts are heading. Its promises are not stories of the past. They remain a source of hope for every servant who sincerely turns back to Allah. Many people read the Qur'an as a book of the past, but its guidance never grows old. The words never change. Yet, as your life changes, your understanding deepens. When it speaks of peaceful hearts, it shows you who you can become. When it warns against forgetting Allah, it reminds you how easily the heart can lose its way. Every sincere return to the Qur'an reveals guidance your heart needed all along. So when life becomes quiet, don't run from the silence. Open the Qur'an, reflect. Ask Allah to guide your heart. His words will remind you what needs healing, what needs repentance, and what deserves gratitude. The invitation has always been there. The question is, will you answer it? We ask for immediate relief, but Allah may grant us a season of stillness, so that our hearts are healed before our circumstances change. Before you leave, I want to ask you one question. Has there ever been a verse that felt like it spoke directly to your situation? Share it in the comments. And if this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone who may need it today.